Good morning, Dave here in Ban Swan in Udon Thani, Thailand. Today we're having a little bit of a different day. We're off on a jolly to Foilom and Khoi Nang Waterfall. Where we're going, but Jaew wanted to stop to see if there was mushrooms, any sign of mushrooms to be picked in this here forest. Not my idea of fun, picking mushrooms in the jungle in Thailand, but I do pick them in Sweden, but not, don't think I'll be rushing to pick any here anyway. Right, here she comes. Looks like she's found a mushroom. Oh, look. At me บ่
มีดอกเดียว
โอ้ยมีดอกเดียว
คันเชื่ออันเดอร์ฟอกกับคอมพิวเตอร์แล้วก็ได้แฮเบบี้เลย
Right, we're here. Very quiet. It's a forest park. We didn't have to pay to get in. And there is Nam Tok Khoi Nang. That's where we are. So we're going to have a little look. There seems to be a park ranger's office or something here. Very nice, peaceful. Toilets and showers by the look of it. Bit hard to see all the little statues there. Ayakona. Down there looks like the waterfall. Okay. These ants apparently are extremely painful when they bite. Mot can fire, remember? Yeah, mot can fire they're called. And yeah, don't be getting bitten by them. Right, and down there, just about see the waterfall or part of it. This is the top of the waterfall, by the way. We need to go down if we want to see it. Down into the valley below. Be careful. This might be difficult to come back up. High drop, so I don't want to go down there looking. Up there where we parked, and down in the valley is the waterfall. You didn't know the one down there, quite a long way down. Alright. Okay. Debo. Might go and have a look at the top of the waterfall without falling down. Danger. As I say, it's very nice up here at the minute. It's a cool breeze, hopefully not disturbing the camera. And nobody here, just us. So very nice. Actually, we could have got across there and walked up that way, but not to worry. This is the top of the waterfall. At the minute there's quite little water, we think, because it has rained heavy, but it's the rain of the lake coming. And not so much yet, as the ground is dry, so it sucks up a lot of the water, but they're very pleasant all the time. Lots of butterflies. And other insects. Right, well I'm just sitting here chilling out, absolutely blissfully peaceful here. Loads of butterflies flying around, landing on my leg, landing on my rucksack, like this one for example. And yeah, it's very nice. Jaew's gone off into the forest looking for bamboo shoots and or mushrooms, I expect as well. And she's a forager. Right, Jaew's just turned up with a bag of bamboo shoots, no my sort, that she's picked in the forest. She's washing in the in the water now, hot and itchy and sticky. But that's very good. She's resourceful. Oh no my. Alright, we come down from the mountain to Nong Sang, and we're going to get some lunch here at the market, I think. That's the idea. So I was looking at grilled fish, I think.
Đi có ọp à? Lèn lại kìa. Nó cho cái lèn kìa. Đi lại kìa. Mình kìa bèo mùa.
I would just have to check in on the way up the mountain with the rangers. Well, looks like a table and bench, but it's a very wide gap. Oh, halva borte. Det var det. Jeg våkner nå. Det er bra. Picnic at Foilom. So we've been here before. We were here last year in the springtime. I made a video about it, but I'll show you a little bit as well now. There are flowers out. Fin. Yeah, it's thick with dragonflies. can see them all flying around Jaew. Dragonfly. Yeah, the bushes spell out something, but I'm not sure what. I'm not going to try and read them. I just stopped by the market where we bought our lunch because I saw a traditional ice cream seller, and but I was hungry to eat food at the time. I didn't want to eat ice cream then, so I thought we'll have to come back past this way. So we've stopped now to get some ice cream. So Jaew's gone to get the ice cream, the ice cream sandwich, and then we'll be on our way. But I do like a Thai ice cream sandwich. There you go, ice cream sandwich. Very nice too. Okay, we stopped on the way home to do some shopping at Tesco Lotus Nadi, not the usual Lotus. We'll get some shopping and then home and chill out. This Tesco Lotus is it's bigger than the one we usually go to, but it's not at all as popular. The car park's almost empty and not like the crowds. It's not far out of town and it's on the main ring road, just off the end of the ring road, but yeah, it's not the same. But we were passing it, so that's why we've come in. Okay, well, we've got a few things. A bit tired now, so we're going home. I'm service, even. I'm service. So there you have it, we are now home. A very enjoyable day yesterday at Foilom. Tiring, but a good day out. And I recommend the waterfall at Khoi Nai. Quiet, peaceful, it's a nice camping ground. It's a forest park, so check it out if you're in Udon Thani. So that's it. As I say, thanks a lot for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're not already subscribed, then please do hit that subscribe button for plenty more videos about expat life here in Thailand, in Udon Thani. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.